From BELTROAD, I just received this men's belt and I'm pretty excited because I've had this one before in a different design. I'm extremely excited to try this one out. Look at this beautiful design that it looks. Wow, look at that. Super shiny, really nice. They've got so many to choose from a little bit funkier like this one maybe to a little bit more classic. This is a leather belt and it is the Ratchet edition. What does that mean? Let me show you exactly what I mean. So if you bring that belt in and listen, that's the Ratchet. Once you make it go through the ratchet, it will stick there until you press the button and let it slide. It's so easy to get in and out of, literally. I have my other belt like now right now that does the exact same thing and you can hear it, obviously. These are my favorite types of belt, super easy to use, very quick to take on and off, and are completely adjustable. You can see the different increments on the ratchet. So of course, size to size, it's unlike hole to hole. So you've got different sizes throughout the day even. You can readjust very, very easily and find the perfect size for you. I'm a huge fan of these types of belt. They last for a very, very long time. Stylish and extremely durable, like I said. I love my belts by BELTROAD.